Do you know you can make money just by reacting to trending videos and trending news on the internet? Yes, all you basically need to do this is simply your smartphone and probably a phone with a good camera so that your face can be clear. All you basically need is like get this trending news, react to it, upload it, and get paid. As simple as that. Now, however, that's why saying it in this simple way, you need to put in some working to actually get to that area of being paid because you are not going to be paid from day one. As I just said, all is pure honesty and I'm going to tell you everything. So if you're interested in actually how you can make money just by reacting to trending videos and trending news, then I advise to watch this video to the very end as I share with you a step-by-step guide on how you can actually do this. Whether you are using your smartphone or your laptop, it doesn't really matter. And you don't need a microphone like this. All you need is, if your phone has a good recorder, you stay in a noiseless area or probably get a tiny collar microphone and you are good to go. So with this already said, let's get straight. Let me share with you a step-by-step guide on how you can actually do this. So hello guys. Now I believe you can see my screen over here. I'm going to share with you a step-by-step guide on how you can actually do this. And there are a lot of channels that are already doing this and are making money from YouTube just by doing this. So before we get started, let me share with you some channels that are already making money with this approach I'm about sharing with you. So the first channel on my list is simply Big Vicky. So let me just search for it. Big Vicky. Now this to tell you that this sort of videos like fully get monetized on YouTube and they perform really well. Now here as you can see, just 14 minutes ago 134 views, 4 hours ago 1.7k views. You can see that the video is actually showing you ads to tell you that what YouTube do monetize this sort of videos. Now after this, the next one that is a new channel that is still building up is simply FC Declan. Now you can see 8 subscribers. This is a new channel that is actually building up as well and is also create similar videos but in a different way. Now I'm going to share with you how you yourself can also do this as well. Now that I've shown you all the channels that are doing this and are really making money with this system, now let me also share with you a step-by-step guide on how you can actually do this as well. Now in order to let this work, the first thing you need to do is that what you need to first of all find that particular trending video, either news about football related or anything celebrity or just any single thing trending at all that you yourself know that what people might be interested in. Now after you find this video, you have to watch the video from beginning to the end, or if it's just a news, you read the news from beginning to the end. Now after you do that, now you need to take note of every single key point that were said or shared within the post or within that particular video. Now after that, you need to make a recording of yourself, like basically sit behind your camera and then record yourself giving your own point of view about that particular thing that was said or done in that particular video. Now the reason why you are doing this is that what you just want to add a little bit of modification to the original video before you publish it online. Now in my own case, I do more of football related stuff, so in this video I'm going to use one that I just recently saved right now to actually do that for you. Now if you are wondering where you're actually going to get this news and the trending informations from, all you basically do is I'll follow big entertainment channels within your country. Now for those in Nigeria, you can follow things like Yaba Left, you can follow channels like Big Vicky, even FC Declan is not really that active on its own, but you can also follow that particular YouTube channel. You can follow things like Instablog, Gossip Mill, because they are the ones that basically bring this news first. You and I don't know how they get them, but they often get them for us, so we basically don't care. Now if you live outside Africa, basically you just have to follow whatever big entertainment handle that you have within your country and then stay up to them, turn on your notifications so that when there's anything trending, you get on it. Remember, the earlier you upload that video, the better it is. Now with all of this shared to you, now I believe you know how you can also get them and you know how to record yourself already, because to record yourself is easy. You get your phone, you get your camera, you just click on the record button on your phone, and that's basically all. So now after doing the recording, now we get into the main work itself, which will be done inside CapCut. So make sure that whatever phone you are using allows you to download CapCut or any other mobile video editor, because you are going to need a video editor to help you do the final work. So for this, let me open up CapCut. Now I'm inside CapCut right now, as you can see. Now CapCut, they have the free and paid version. Now the free version often show ads, so you just basically have to stick with it or upgrade to Pro, but you don't need that Pro for anything. So basically click on where it says new project. Now once you click on new project, now you need to select the video of your recording, which is where you recorded yourself. That is the first video that you need to import in. So I'm just going to import my own video right now. Now click on add. Now, once you add it up, now for this particular one, this is not a video recording that I did myself because I'm currently recording video, so I can't pause this one to go and record another one. So I just have to take any random video from my gallery. I don't record videos with this phone. I do it with the other phone that I'm currently using to record this whole video you are watching. So now, once you are inside your video editor and then you've imported your video like this, the next thing you look for is simply look for where it says overlay. So inside your CapCut, just click on overlay. Now once you click on overlay, you are going to see this plus button. Now just click on add overlay. Now once you click on add overlay, you need to go get that particular video you are coming to talk about. Whether you are talking about a celebrity or a footballer, it doesn't really matter. You simply have to get that video. Now for example, I'm going to take this video of Chelsea highlight from against Nottingham Forest, and then once you add it up like this, make sure the video is not covering your face, so you basically have to minimize it and then keep it at one side of the screen. Now make sure that your face is at the top and then whatever thing you're saying is also clear. The audio from this other one is not interrupting you. Now basically what you have to do is that on your own, unmute your audio and then mute the one of the clip you added. So this one is muting the full scene, so let me just click on this one and then click on volume. Now drag down backward. So now you can basically keep this one here and then just be talking about whatever thing that happened in the news or within the, if it's football related, talk about whatever thing that you see that you wanted to talk about in the video. You simply discuss about it, and that's simply all. Now this is simply how you get to make money, just by reacting to trending informations on social media. Now if you need more information on this, you can kindly join my WhatsApp. The link will be there in the video description. So with this already said, have a lovely day. Now once you are done, all you simply have to do is click on export, and that's all.